In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Brevo password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, this tutorial will help you get through the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Brevo website, open your preferred web browser and type in brevo.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to log in using your current credentials if you aren't already signed in. This step is crucial for accessing your account settings, where you can make changes to your password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a drop-down menu under your profile name or avatar. This menu is where you can access various personal settings related to your account. Click on your profile name to open the drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down, select the option that says My Profile. This will take you to a new page dedicated to your account settings. Here, you can update different aspects of your profile, but today we're focusing specifically on changing your password. On the My Profile page, you'll notice several tabs. Look for the one labeled Password and click on it. This tab is specifically designed for managing your password settings. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your current password and your new password. Now, it's time to enter your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a good idea to avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. Enter your current password in the designated field, followed by your new password in the next field. Be sure to confirm your new password if there's an option to do so. This helps ensure that you've typed it correctly and minimizes any potential errors during the process. After you've entered both your current and new passwords, it's time to update them. Look for a button that says Update My Password and click on it. This action will save your changes and officially update your password in the system. If the update is successful, you should receive a confirmation message, often displayed as a pop-up or a notification on the page. And there you have it. Your Brevo password has now been successfully changed. If you experience any issues during the process, double-check that you've entered your current password correctly and that your new password meets the platform's security requirements. Also, if you're unable to log in after changing your password, try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser to ensure there are no technical hiccups. Remember, updating your password regularly is a crucial step in maintaining the security of your online accounts. It helps protect your personal information and prevents unauthorized access. So, make it a habit to change your passwords periodically and store them securely. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing your Brevo password. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to reach out to Brevo's customer support if you encounter any persistent issues. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.